Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Art with Pankaj Pokale. I am Pankaj Pokale and in today's video we are starting an exciting Warli art series. In episode 1, I will show you how to draw basic Warli figures using just a black marker and white paper. These simple figures are the foundation of every beautiful Warli painting. So let's get started. For this drawing, you only need a white sheet of paper, a black marker or sketch pen. That's all. Warli art is one of India's oldest tribal art form. It is known for its simple geometric shapes and storytelling. Let's begin with the basic human figure. Draw a small circle for the head. Circle the body using two triangles joined at the tips. Add simple lines for the hands and legs. Now let's draw different Warli characters. A person carrying a pot, a farmer working with a farming tool, a musician playing a trumpet, a dancer, a person playing the drum, a seated figure, and other everyday village activities. As you can see, each figure is simple, but together they tell a beautiful story of village life. Take your time and practice each figure slowly. Congratulations! You have learned the basic Warli figures. Practice these figures a few times because they will help you create complete Warli paintings in the upcoming episode. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to Master Art with Pankaj Pokale. Also let me know in the comments which Warli scene you would like to learn next. Thank you for watching. See you in episode 2. Happy drawing.